I'm making baked ziti today. Well, baked ziti, no. Baked penne, because it's penne pasta, not ziti. I'm going to be adding some ground beef to this one. Seasoned it, I'm browning it. You can add ground turkey, ground chicken. For my vegan people, I don't know how that works. I have a big confusion between vegetarian and vegan. But if you're not into meat, then you can use your soy meat substitutes and that'll work great as well. Into a bowl, we're going to mix some ricotta cheese, about 1/4 of this whipped cream cheese, half of this pack of mozzarella, basil, if you have fresh, even better. No measurement for this one, just as much as you like. Just a little tiny bit of salt, and some black pepper, but I ran out. You're gonna mix that very well, and this is gonna be our cheese filling. Well, not filling, like a layer. Our meat is ready, so we're gonna add some pasta sauce. I don't like this brand, it was just the one that was available. I prefer anything else, but it'll work. We added our jar of ragu sauce, not ragu sauce, pasta sauce, traditional pasta sauce. And I also like to add a little bit of vodka sauce. About 1/3 of the jar of the pasta sauce. Mix that all up. As I was cooking my pasta, I could hear Jonathan, the Italian guy, saying, "Don't overcook your pasta." And I overcooked it, but that's fine. Drained my pasta and dumped my meat mixture right into it. Mix it and incorporate well. Oh, I want to eat this so bad. We're gonna dump some in, fill it about halfway only. Now we're gonna scoop on some of the cheese mixture, get it nice and thin. Over this, we're gonna add another layer of the pasta. The rest of our mozzarella cheese. This is just personal preference, but I also like adding the sliced fresh mozzarella and some parm. Sprinkle on a little bit more basil and pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Listen, it's best to let this cool down, but I'm hungry and I work in half an hour. So, to me, pasta is comfort food, and this is delicious. Try it out and let me know if you do. I hope you like it. Bye!